Follow for claws! It's not just follow for claws giveaway, just follow for claws, saying as giveaway is apparently the talisman of failure nowadays. Oh. Follow for declaws in case you thought it was any other type of claws, because for all we know, it could be a trust game for rune claws, and rune claws are a piece of shit. It's more like, nah, bronze is too uncreative. That's anytime I try doing fake stuff with claws, I always do adamant or mithril claws because they're the ones people least expect. People expect bronze or rune. Trivia. No, it's not going to be trivia. When's the last time this had any trivia? Oh, I hope it'll be bronze sets. I could use a couple. Right then, Mr. Follow, announce your game. Okay, guys, we're gonna play the big game for claws. Fuck off. He's so selfish with exclamation marks. Can't he just save some? Whoever thinks this is a scam can leave right now in all capitals. You know what? I think I'll start off. Bid war? War? Bid war. The highest bidder wins! Just 2 exclamation marks this time. Winner takes all. I know. Throw Darker, 1 GP winning. Very good. 300k! Done! Those are just... okay. Durzo is winning! Reported. Wow, reported. I'm gonna win the claws! Look at this kid. Give me 1 mil, please. Got nuns. Yeah, that's what she said. She's falling like, I think we get 1 mil for free. Not happening. Guess what's not happening? That. Money. Money! Come on, follow me some more. Money! Oh fuck, he left. Dickwad. Whoa, well, what fuck? Oh, spam. Money incoming. Homo money. Well, find me some more. Here he is. He's following again. Huh, scam detected. There you go. This is gonna be a bullshit, isn't it? Got all the spammers. Oh, fuck us. Okay, this is a video giveaway sponsored by Dragon Dyce. Let's check. MV. He's not in. I'm crashing. And so's garlic toast as well. It's a trust game! Really now, yeah, because Dragon Dyce really do that, wouldn't they? Highest bet gets the side. Oh, you fucking retard. I'm just getting winning! Oh gosh, this guy is a fucking retard. Oh good, second cannon here. I'll try again. Overplayers accepted. Go on, accept again. Is he gonna accept? Is he gonna accept? Ah, decline. $400k winning. Gib. Hysterically still winning. Yeah, right. I'm not very good at spam. Having some bloody conversation with Hysterically, I say, Doubler! Stick him! And now he's going to have a very, very bad experience. $100k, go on, accept that, you mug. Other players accepted. Other players accepted. 100k given. And I declined. Get something better to do. That's a doubler telling me to do something better. What? I'm making money. Yeah, I can tell you are. Did he just do back teletab? Oh, he just, yeah. Arg! They're both on me! Oh cool, rest break. Oh guys, some Kool-Aid player. Yep. Effective chasing always involves taking rests during downtime. Yeah, it takes a bit more than that. I've got to say that whatchamacallit, where'd you go? I think the person, they're probably having quite an interesting time right now. Decline. My turn! Some points of view. Hey. Okay. Hey. I put up 100k. I wait for you to accept. Do you accept? Do you accept? Yes, you do. Now, do you click accept again? Come on. I'm waiting for you. Just accept. Ah, decline. That's why I don't say it early. You guys are dumb. Oh, why is there so many of you bastards? Felt some of this. I tested. Okay. God damn it. Let's play running game again.